Can't believe this is actually happening. We've made it to the Dead Sea. Would you look at that?
Wow! We are at the lowest point on Earth. Did you know that?
I did.
Crazy.
Does that mean that you can jump higher? Give it a try.
Why would I be able to jump higher?
Altitude, you know? Yeah. You got like 5 feet more air. Say it again.
We've said it 5 times. Jordanians know how to party.
Now, we could spit a whole bunch of facts about this for you, but the reality is we're just learning this as we go. So Aman Kadir, he knows everything.
It's 605 square kilometers. Now the Dead Sea less than 380 square kilometers. Why is that? Because every year going between 2 to 3 square meters because there is no more water going inside. As you see the front of us over here, how the Dead Sea is going down. So we believe around like 20 to 25 years maximum the Dead Sea will be disappear completely.
No, don't make it so.
Of course.
Really?
If you look ahead, the front of us, this is here from the Israel side, this is Masada city. If you go all the way down to the northwest side, that's Jerusalem. All the way straight ahead, that's the city of Qumran where they found the scrolls. They're talking about the life under the Dead Sea. Behind the city of Qumran, the oldest city on earth, which is the city of Jericho. Everyone come to Jordan because it's a safe country and the most beautiful country on earth. Please. Everyone coming here.
That's the vlog done for the day.
Well done,
we can
Kadir.
wrap it up now when it's done.
I heard there's a pool at the hotel. Let's just call it a day.
And cut. Right next to the shopping mall. How convenient.
This is so strange. So we've been driving for quite a while now, maybe about an hour along the edge of the Dead Sea. And there's honestly not much going on. And then we just show up now. We got hotels, our hotel, a shopping mall. I think we're staying somewhere very nice. I think we're gonna like this.
Oh man, look at that. This is not just a nice hotel. They've got views for days out there. Just looking right the way out across this, I want to say sea. It's a lake, by the way. Nah, man.
I don't know. Okay.
Nah.
Pool's super impressive, but then you look out there, look at this. Wow.
Okay, mind blown. How is all of this here?
I was not expecting this.
Nah, this is incredibly developed. Extremely beautiful.
Look at that
There is a
water
strange abandoned water park there. Okay, that part maybe aside. This pool looks sick.
Oh, what a vibe down there. Look.
This music cranking, dude. They're proper beach club
It's like a
in.
beach club.
Okay, I don't want to take much of your time. I just want to give you a small brief about the hotel and about the Dead Sea.
You want to go by the window?
Oh yeah. At this point, after our time in Jordan, I'm sure you understand how much we absolutely rave about the food here. That is an unbelievable spread. Thanks so much. Possibly one of the best, the best presentation that we have seen, and the variety is intense. You can see everybody is going absolutely nuts after driving for 5 hours and only eating chips and soft drinks from the random servos on the side of the road that we've been stopping at.
Wow.
That was great. We're going to crack into this, and then there is a lot of things that we need to know and be careful of when going into the Dead Sea. I reckon that was the best lunch that we've had.
It's hard to say because all the food has been so good.
Yeah, that's true.
And they've got such a good variety no matter what you feel like. Like it's really hot at the moment, so they've got all the fresh salads and stuff and the hummus and the breads, but then they've got the meats and the rice and it's just everything.
That is everything. Hello.
Hello.
Thanks so much.
No, we're okay. Thank you.
606. Oh, mad cliffs behind us. All right.
Ready?
Show me
The
the
money.
room.
Yes.
You're in.
Ooh,
Oh yeah.
good start. Smells amazing.
Smells
Come on
amazing.
in.
Incredibly cool. We've got a luggage area.
Ooh, wardrobe. What have we got? Oh, this is nice and modern. Oh wow, it's really nice. Do we have much of a view? I feel like we're set back a little bit, but it doesn't matter because we're going to go down to the... Oh, we do! Ah! No way! I am so disoriented. How are we? We had to walk a while to find our room, so I'm like, nah, we're definitely not going to be able to see anything. What? there it is.
It is a maze. I feel like we're going to get 10,000 steps in just because of the scale of this place. My mind was not prepared for the fact that there would be so many like incredible resorts and hotels set up right here. But I suppose it makes sense. This is the place to be. This is the thing to do. Now we have to read through our notes to make sure that we don't make any mistakes before we go and actually go and get into the sea. But
I'm excited.
Which I mentioned as a lake. Landlocked. Landlocked, babes.
You've been reading some stats, haven't you? I'll just like to say I wrote the notes. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
We're going to get our towels.
Let's do it.
Have you got the...
It's very organised here, eh? Yeah, thank you. Hey.
Good, thank you. How are you?
Go the boat or the beach?
Beach.
Yeah, we have elevator, you see?
Elevator?
Yeah.
Okay, down here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go on the right and the left. Okay.
Thanks so much. Yeah, this is obviously something that everybody comes here to do. So there's a process, hey? Like it's all very well organised.
So we're finding...
Stumbling with my words there, I don't know why, sorry.
You're just so excited.
Alright,
Oh yeah, okay, so we got to go down the elevator to the beach.
and it looks like they're very well set up for full-scale parties here.
Parties.
Oh my god, okay. Let's take the piss out of Dane. Also, to be fair, I did it myself as well. That's open. No, it's not.
No, that's not open.
No idea.
Oh, it's see-through.
Alright, welcome. This is it. This is the scene. We've already seen the bar. We might need to go there, but that was not one of the steps. So, I've already broken one of the rules, which is you're supposed to keep your shoes on.
Look who's the good person.
Stace has. Yep. Another one is to take jewellery off because it can tarnish, so we don't want that to happen. What's that?
Oh no, maybe it's not. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe just grab it from here. Look at all the salt on the
Oh yeah.
shore.
I love it.
Alright, you ready to go in?
You know what, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do it.
Alright, it's happening. Have a look at this. I don't know if that's going to come out. There's so much mud.
I think I just have to lie down.
Okay, go.
I'm on the ground. I've never felt experienced swimmer before.
There we go. You're an athlete, babe.
You see how high up my feet are without like showing. They just like go.
Okay, if this audio is a bit bad, I'm sorry. I have to have the action camera in a housing because salt will destroy any kind of phone, camera, anything. Sunglasses, this may be a bad idea. See? Oh man! I keep waiting for the bit where I fall back down again. What the hell? You just do sit-ups in this. Check this out. The risk is don't get it in your eyes. Whoa! Oh, I over-rotated, almost drowned. Please don't over-rotate.
I can't touch the ground here.
That's what I mean.
Watch me.
Oh, I've just had the first taste.
Did I just kick it at you?
I just had a bit of an entree. Don't get it in your mouth.
I got some facts for you.
Go.
You want to know why it's called the Dead Sea?
No. Yes, I mean.
It's because nothing can live here. It is so salty. It's like 8 or 10 times saltier than the regular sea or ocean,
Wow. It's like an oil. It's that salty.
which is why it's so floaty.
Okay.
And so nothing can live here. So that is why it is called the Dead Sea.
Facts.
Facts.
Now, what's the next step?
I don't know, but I feel like I need to rinse it off.
Mud.
And then I think, I nominate you for the mud.
Full body.
Full body. Oh,
You don't make the rules here, babe.
it's a massage too. Oh, this wasn't on the cards. Relax, Steve. Relax. Oh. Oh man, he's actually giving me a massage. Oh, right the way down through the traps, the rhomboids. Oh, I'm tighter on my right side. That was just so
you're lucky, right?
unexpected. The last thing I expected was to come to Jordan, be floating in the Dead Sea, covered in mud, getting a massage from a full-grown man in 32-degree heat. But here we are. So this is going to be on for about 20 minutes, 25. It's supposed to harden up, and then the idea is that this stuff is all good for your skin. I'm not a big cosmetic guy, but like everywhere we've been, there's products that you can buy from the Dead Sea that are great for your skin, that are all antioxidants or whatever. Let's just throw that out there. I did, but I want to share something interesting that I read. Why is it so salty? Evaporation. When you reduce a sauce, you know how it creates more like intensity and a richer structure. Simmer sauce. It's essentially the same thing has happened with that. None of this can escape. It once was a sea. It's obviously now a lake, and then that has created what we now know as this incredibly deadly, unlivable thing.
This guy making up facts.
Look, pick out of that which bits you want to believe, which are real and which are not. But for now, I'm gonna go dry. I'm cutting the experience short ever so slightly. I'm not quite hard in every spot yet, but
Sorry.
it's a weird thing to say because I've got really sore nipples. And I promise, I have not shaved them. We were all told, legitimately yesterday, do not shave. Tonight, tomorrow morning, don't shave your face, don't shave your legs, girls, don't shave anything because it will be very sore.
Is it coming off?
Yeah, greasy, slippery. I have never felt water like this. It's almost oily.
And really warm, eh?
And oh, they're incredibly warm. Oh, check back, look at this. Okay,
back
hold on.
later.
Let me get some float for you so you can see. That's life jacket stuff, isn't it? See that? Oh, I can't even touch anymore, look. That's like a life jacket.